Mama wakwaba wofre me adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Endra ene 3 days na video bi circulate ewo internet no so na video na circulate ni na efa ye honorable Asensu Boache Bantama MP oko MSA GH1 ekoye interview eye Bolare eno ye nisa interview no na ebusuafo Bolare ebisa honorable Asensu Boache say onka major 5 eniama his excellency na Adanka Kufado na NPP for ye ewo Ashanti region na video no honorable Asensu Boache wentimi anka asembia video no mehwe ni ye na video no madam Fubi oye NDC ni constituency organizer and on the send me and a madam back so US on so the video ne send me na in fact me no more April so pa na I will not blame a year honorable Asensu Boache because honorable or your minister or your MP or your NPP communicator and I said maybe say no but I will not blame him because or your NPP communicator the only no and our kind na ebusuafo yenhwe video ne kakra.
5 projects that the MPP has done in the Ashanti region. Asensu Boache.
The Kumasi Airport. Now it's an international airport.
Kumasi Airport. So that's one. We're saying projects.
Many.
So we have 4 more to go.
Even the revival of Obuasi go face and the employment it has created for young people in the area. It's amazing.
Major projects that the NPP has done in the Ashanti region. Kumasi Airport, yes.
I just mentioned the revival of Ashanti Gold.
Oh, but Ashanti Gold was there. Yes, you are creating employment and all of that. But project, monumental project that we can say, okay, yes, you've talked about roads. We talked about Kumasi Airport. You know, people will also go and say KJT Market, Mahama did it. He did. So for you, 5 projects. You are a minister in the Ashanti region. 5 projects by the MPP. Asensu.
I mentioned the Konfonoche maternity block.
You're not telling me.
Yes, which is currently under construction,
it's under construction.
Oh yeah,
8 years.
It's under construction, but it takes time to raise funds to construction and all that. So, I mean, the most important thing is that it has started and it will be completed. Yeah.
No, we are talking about breaking the 8. That's why I'm asking you all of this, the implications of it.
And
so I know it can take 20 years to do that, but you want to break the 8. So the projects that you have done.
Ebusuafo ye na ya hwe video no the ekoso no but honorable ye be catch we say even though I make us a one communicator no or NPP abem no you should know better. Ashanti region his excellency wa bono modern wo papa as a president wa bagana ha ina honorable say wunima because me Ashanti didn't sometimes I make us we Ashanti be proud of yourself because you support the party papa and say me ma akotena Kumasi for 4 good years and sana me movie eba Accra me call Kumasi na me dim dey hote me call Kumasi first na me say nti Kumasi na like who outside na omo ka Kumasi out me say yes but who kopie Kumasi omo akwan na omo ne bi nkoyie but me his excellency be your president I am a sanso ko ho no Kumasi e change totally eba na omo akwanya eno kwa de Asante funu ko mbeya omo akase be dia dance but Bolare say wait me ebisa honorable Asensu Boache say den na NPP for aye e wo Ashanti region na wantimi ankenti Ghana force ra ye pese ubisa NDC ni ida oresi elu nketia Sami Jamfi Fifi Kwete and whatever so omo nka enema mo de 3 pe NPP crowd wo ka say 5 because NPP for no mo ya dey nti ka 5 crowd wo di kan but NDC be so almost say nema 3 pe a omo yo almost stronghold Volta region say ne be ya enye nkoye say journalist for mo Ghana ha mo ya bias na Bolare nsema obisa honorable Asensu Boache no mi ya no ama tie eye Bonre road mo fa camera na mo nko hwe His Excellency now don't Akufo-Addo by why from Kumasi to Obuasi. Mrs. Akwane, the car of us, the car no kosi fitting shop 1 week. From Kumasi to Obuasi, no. The bed 3 hours in the dream. His Excellency now don't Akufo-Addo by why. KJT market phase 2 no. And I do see. I can't we no be no say me am say. So we go Kumasi akwana koshe. Asokwa to Atonsu Road no. Asokwa to Atonsu Road. The Kumasi for what a kwine. Sometimes maybe I'm ofie na menye hwe am to me drive around. Na sa kwine no in foot through pa from Asokwa to Atonsu wo a wo Kumasi be ka chen say sa kwine no sa big road. His Excellency Akufo-Addo onye ya na afenso tafunhia so me na mete tafunhia so nkotena tafunhia so wo free Moro market wo sane akwa ase wa hona na mete sisi ya me no mo kase mo nkota tafunhia so na mo nkwohwe de we ho asi aye na mo meka nkere me agenda 1111 manso adubia agenda 111 90% almost 90% completed mo nkona mo nkwohwe Twede 40 bed capacity hospital mo kwada mo nkwohwe Sabrunum and also 40 bed hospital 40 bed capacity hospital Swame almost 40 bed capacity hospital mo kwada mo nkwohwe Manson Kwanta 40 bed capacity hospital bed okay and afenso Atinga Junction to Trede. Atinga Junction, personally, I know this. So I'm not driving. So Atinga Junction, come to me afa Asokwa. I will trema kwa tonso no a branch. Ubekwa akwa kosi Atinga Junction, afa akwa kosi tafo Kumasi Ishaye so. Be a Royal TV wono. So Atinga Junction wono. E wona Royal TV, omo a hostel no ewo. Sometimes me fi esquad of embra kwa me ba bra kwa na meti Kumasi nti me fa car besi foshu sometimes ye fa car na car no ebefa Atinga Junction ekokosi Trede ne yesi kwan mu eko wa wo hwe me no kona kohwe se from Trede Atinga Junction to Trede kwan no se His Excellency ye ya bra na bebo me minimum ho pa woni me nyama His Excellency na Adanko Akufo-Addo aye wo Ghana ha no we see 36 health projects in Ashanti region. 36 and our kwan so why 1,800 kilometers. A kwan 1,800 kilometers e wa Ashanti region pe. Na me si yemfa bibia nto nche no a kwan Kumasi inner roads in the mix of COVID, in the mix of Russia, Ukraine, in the midst of Ohawa ba gan ewiase afa na ina gan bia so yen so ne yehu yen bunkun yen ni fa na do ne so ajeje akwan na do ayi wo Ghana ha no president ben o the president ben inti Bola so we be so honorable asensu bo achina so enti menyi wano a ya ate ase ba mabobo amamo munkoda munkonko bi sa NDC for no so almost stronghold Volta region. How many kilometers of roads no more you Volta region? How many hospitals no more you Volta region? See defense and no more you Volta region. Umwe yano. Nsem hu na do so Ghana ha.